Good morning student. In previous video we have completed up to question number 13 from exercise 4.4. Okay. In today's video I am going to take remaining question of this exercise. Here I take question number 14. See in your book question number 14 is given. Find the cost of an AC and a TV set. If the cost of an AC and TV together is given rupees 36,000 and cost of AC is 5 times the cost of the TV. From this question we understand what we have to find out here. Here we have to find out the cost of AC and the TV. Okay, and total cost of AC and TV it is given 36,000. Okay, now what is the condition is given in this question? In this question it is given the cost of AC is 5 times the cost of TV. This means cost of AC is given in terms of the cost of TV. Therefore here we consider the cost of TV be rupees X. Understood? Then according to condition or according to question, the cost of AC, this is 5 times the cost of TV. Therefore here we write is rupees 5x, because we consider cost of TV is equal to what? X. Therefore cost of AC is what? 5x. Clear? Then by given condition, total cost of TV and the AC is given 36,000. Therefore sum of these two is equal to what? 36,000. In this way here we put the equation x plus 5x, cost of TV plus cost of AC is equal to 36,000. Now these are the like term. X plus 5x, here we get what? 6x is equal to 36,000 as it is on the right hand side. Therefore x is equal to 36,000, 6 which is in multiplication on the left hand side of the equation with the variable x. Therefore we transfer on the right hand side, it will come in division. Therefore 36,000 upon 6, here 6 ones are 6 6 are, and 6 is followed by how many 0? 3 0. Here we get the value of x is equal to what? 6,000. Clear? Therefore we write the answer. The cost of TV is equal to x. This is equal to rupees 6,000, and the cost of AC, this is equal to what? 5x. That is 5 into x, 5 into 6,000. Value of x is equal to what? 6,000. Therefore 5 into 6,000, here we get 30,000. This is the cost of AC. Okay, this is the answer for this question. I hope student you understand this question. Now see the next question. Question number 15. Question is given. Ganga has rupees 10 notes and some rupees 20 notes, and number of 20 notes is half the rupees 10 notes. If she has rupees 160 in all, find the number of notes of each denomination. Okay, now see in this question, Ganga has some notes of rupees 10 and rupees 20. Okay, and she has in total 160 rupees. Now relation between the number of 10 rupees note and the 20 rupees note it is given. According to that, here we have to put the equation. Okay, therefore here we consider. Now see, number of 20 rupees note is given in terms of the number of 10 rupees note. Therefore we write let Ganga has x notes of rupees 10. Clear? And therefore number of rupees 20 notes is equal to what? Half the number of notes of rupees 10. Therefore here we write what? X upon 2. 10 rupees note how many? X. 20 rupees note half of that. Therefore here we get what? X upon 2. Clear? Now total amount she has, that is 160 rupees. Therefore amount of rupees 10 note is equal to what? 10 into number of notes, that is 10 into x. Clear? And amount from the 20 rupees note and number of notes are given x upon 2, their multiplication. Therefore 20 into x upon 2. And sum of this amount is equal to what? 160. This is the total amount she has. Correct. Therefore here we put the equation according to given condition, 10x plus 20 into x upon 2, that is the number of notes of 20 rupees, is equal to 160 total amount. Now we solve the equation. 10 into x, that 10x as it is, plus 2 1s are 2 10s are. 10 into x, here we get 10x is equal to 160. 10x plus 10x, addition is 20x is equal to 160. Therefore x is equal to 160. We transfer, it will come in division. 160 divided by 20. Clear? It is in multiplication on the left hand side with the variable. We transfer, it will come in division. After division we can cut 0 0, 2 1s and 2 8s. Therefore here we get value of x is equal to 8. Clear? Then what is the answer? Therefore Ganga has 8 notes of rupees 10. X note. What is the value of x? 8. 8 notes of rupees 10 and 4 notes of rupees 20. How many notes? X upon 2, that is 8 upon 2. Okay, we can do calculation. We will get the 4 notes of rupees 20. If you will do the addition, you will get the total amount 160. In this way we can check the answer. Okay. Now student, note down your homework. The last question of this exercise, question number 16. This is homework for you. Here we have completed fourth lesson of maths. Okay. This is all for today student. Thank you very much.